This is Taiwan. Look at me. I'm climbing a tower. And I have no idea how many floors we are at. 11F. 10F? Interesting. Oh dear goodness. Makes me so nervous and scared to see those. It makes me panic. Dear goodness. Are these ever gonna end? I don't want it to. I want to keep going. Interesting. It captures everything. It captures the view out there and the view out here.
Let's see, Scottish made whiskey, bleeder, 12 years old. If you don't have your reading glasses, you've got one of these. Put it right. Look at that kind of drifting. That maneuverability is incredible. We made it to Taipei after an hour, and now we're underneath a big temple, which is right beneath us. Whoa, damn, so impressive. What is this?
Kapiko, for Japanese.
Water.
Soda drink.
Soda drink.
Good.
So nice out today, finally. Andrea.
My
Andrea. She's showing us around everywhere. She speaks Chinese and Korean and English and Spanish and Polish and everything. Dun 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 dun. Little.
And then that's chicken dumplings.
It's 10 pieces.
Whoa, food. We made it in the elevator. It looks like we're gonna go to the very top of Taipei. Taipei. And we're here. Woo! 5F. Look at that view.
Ooh, so close.
So close.
Hi there. Hi. See how crisp and clean they are?
Oh, it's clear.
Clean meters. Back. It's all over the place.
Yeah. Hello. I am, it's trippy. The spear. This is what I need in my house to determine where do I want to go next. We got here salmon.
这种的这种100的跟这种。